big dog in the truck market isn't even a dog. That big crosshair grille says it all. Behind that grille is the V8 Icon, the Dodge Ram Hemi. In this 1500, it makes 340 horsepower, has the ability to shut down 4 cylinders while cruising for increased fuel economy. It can be configured to carry in excess of 2,400 pounds and can tow in excess of 9,000 pounds. Dodge Ram features the largest available cab in the pickup truck market, and it's the longest lasting truck on the road for the last 10 years. For 34 years, Village Dodge has been the area's #1 Dodge Ram dealer. We're the only 5-star rated dealer in Columbia and Greene counties. We're your Dodge Business Link dealer. If you need your truck to show up for work day after day, make sure it's Ram tough, make sure it's backed up by Village Dodge. Give us a call at Village Dodge at the corners of Route 9H and Route 66 in Hudson, New York, 828-1585.